Look what you just did, Keanu. I'm filming this for Daddy. Look what he did while I was on the phone with my mom. Did you do that? Did you do that? Yeah. Did you do that? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to, baby? Anyways. That's what he did. What you doing, baby? Watching TV at Grandma's? Ouch! Oh, until you see what I'm doing. Until you see what I'm doing. Grandma. Look at Grandma. Look at Grandma. Right there. Look at Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Hey, Grandma. Look at Grandma. You see Grandma? Huh? Yeah, he sees Grandma. You see Grandma? What's Grandma doing? Oh. Look at Grandma and Lucky Dog. Loving her baby. Grandma and Lucky Dog. Yeah, your mommy love you. Grandma and Lucky Dog. Where you at? Outside? Oh, this light. There we go. That's better. Grandma and Lucky Dog. New news. He's all into the TV. Yeah. Where's the dog? Where's Lucky? Where's Lucky? Where's Lucky? Where's Lucky? He's interested in the TV. Get your finger out of your nose, boy. Oh. Raining, baby. What you doing? Raining. Uh-oh, hear it? There it is. A rare event. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Woo! This is when Mommy brought you out to play. Yeah, at least I know he's not going to run off. At least we know he's not going to go running off. Woo! Look at that, baby. Go get wet. Go play in the rain. Look at that. Go play in the rain. Your windows up, Mom? Yeah. Don't you want to go play in the rain? No? Get on the patio with Grandma? Huh? Get on the patio with Grandma. And there's Lucky Dog. You don't want to go get wet? Hey, Lucky Dog. Hey, Lucky Dog. Hi. Hi. Who are you saying hi to, baby? Hey, don't you want to get wet? Oh. Go get wet. Not so bad now. I knew it was going to rain, I just didn't know when. Look at that grass, I'm going to have to go out there and mow it. When was the last time I mowed? Last week? Yeah, I did. Yep. Hooray! Let's see if Tiger's out. Woo! Hey, go do it again, baby. All right. Go out there. Do it again. it again, baby. Do it again. Come on, Keanu. Do it again.
You get all wet? You get all wet?
Grandma's yard.
Huh?
Go for it, baby. Go for it.
Look at that smile. Oh, I remember doing that as a kid.
Yep.
Doing bush too.
Yeah, I remember me and Regina used to go walking in it.
Yeah.
Go out there, baby. Go get that rain.
I forget
Go
where,
get it.
Sharon told me they moved. They moved out of town, but I forget when.
Oh, they did?
Yeah. They got transferred.
Oh. Hey.
He was a manager of Walmart up here.
Oh, that's right.
And then he got transferred. Did any of Tiger?
No, he's not out.
No, he's probably gone now.
Hi, Sharon.
Sharon, you can put 1 or 2 of those in my trash bag out at the curb.
Okay, he'll put them in there when he gets out.
At that. At that. What happened to the rain?
All gone?
That's El Paso. 10 minutes and that's it. It's over with.
No, I don't rain anymore. I'm loving it. You would have thought that when you have to water it hard.
Yeah.
Oh, it comes out.
Oh, here it comes again. Yeah, I said, yeah, here it comes again.
It rained a long time ago.
Go get that rain, baby. Go get it.
Just don't get sick.
Go get it. On your set, go. Roar. On your set, go.
What time's his appointment tomorrow?
1:15.
He's having a ball.
Yeah. You having fun, baby? It's really cute.
Bigger chair.
Up, down, up, down.
You big boy? Hi. Bringing another chair now, Mama.
Oh, you got your chair. Just sit down and enjoy the rain.
Isn't that it? All done?
Finished? you doing, lucky dog? I'm a lucky dog.
Either Rochelle or one of Stacy's kids, when they were over here, asked, do you have little kids coming over here? Because they seen the chair. And I said, yeah, my grandson. And Rochelle was having a ball on that. What you doing?
Okay, make up your mind what you want to do. Oh, stopped.
I told Coaches I had a Diana.
There he is. Hey, Tiger, baby. Hey, Tiger. Hey, Tiger. Hey, big guy. Look at you. Oh, look at you. Oh, look at you, big boy. He's a big boy. What a big boy you are. What a big boy. Big tiger. Big pretty tiger. What? Want to see Tiger? Tiger? Say hi, Tiger. Big dog. Look at those paws. Look at those paws. Compared to my hand. Big dog. Big pretty boy. There's a cat in Grandma's yard.
You stay here.
Go see it.
Chase it out of my yard.
Yeah, that's what we're going to do.
Sick of them in my yard.
Careful, baby. Careful. Walk over here. Where's the cat go? Where's the cat go? There he is. Where's that cat? Look at the cat. Of course, here comes the rain. Where'd the cat go, baby? Come on, back on the porch. I'm under the tree, so I'm going to let the camera. And that doesn't seem to be bothering him. Come here. Come here. Come here. There was just a big lightning boom right now. It scared him. A thunder boom. It's okay, baby. Really. Grandma's yard. There he goes, running back.
No.
What's the matter, baby?
Huh? What do you want? What do you want?
Want your shoes off? What?
See, like, act like that, you taking me.